Hello, lovely people. My greetings to everyone. This is Akpeje's Kitchen. Today, I'm making Ewe's Fetritoto or okro soup. So, I want to teach you how I make this delicious okro soup. So, for this soup, I'm using garlic, ginger, pepper, onion. Then I'll blend it. I'm using wele. I've washed it already. I cut it. Then I'm rinsing it again and put it inside the pot. So I'll season this with the blended seasoning, onion, garlic, and those things. Then I'll add my Maggi and salt. Then I'll add cooking leaf and then water. Then I'll put it on the fire and cook this very well until it's very soft. So while the wele is cooking, let me start the okro. This okro, we are just going to cut it rough, just like this. There's no straight inside at all. You just cut it rough. Then you add some pepper. The amount of pepper you want, that's what you add. Then you wash it. Actually, I wash it 2 to 3 times. Then I'll start putting it inside my pot. Then I'll add some water. And put it on the stove and start cooking it. So like 6 minutes later, the okro is ready. I'll transfer it inside my apotoria. So this is the fish I'll be using. I'm using dry fish and salmon. I'll add it to the wele. The wele is already soft before I add the salmon to cook like 5 to 6 minutes. Then it will be ready. So I'll just tap my okro just like this. The meat is ready. Then I pour the okro inside and mix everything together. Can you see how it's looking nice already? Then I'll mix everything together. You can even eat it like this. It's very sweet. But if you want, like the way I'm doing it, you can just add some red oil to make it look nicer than this. Then here we are, it's ready. You can enjoy this with your benku, akple, even rice. So this is how it look like. Do you like the soup? Have you ever tasted before? Let me know at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipe like this, and like the video, share the video, support your girl. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.